Hi there. When you work on a Linux terminal, sometimes you might want to configure the title bar on your own. Many commands will automatically set the title bar when you launch them. For example, here you can see that I'm running Z shell. So obviously the Z shell has actually changed this to this title. But if at all I try to use any tools like Midnight Commander, you can see Midnight Commander set its own title bar, which you can see on title bar MC, Moonranger, and Triton. When I exit Midnight Commander, sometimes the title is not reset back. This can happen many times and this might look a little clumsy. If at all you want to manually set the title bar to your liking, to your choice, you can do so by using a special escape character for xterm. Most of these terminals which are compatible with xterm understand these control sequences, and that's very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is just type echo, and you can just say, maybe you can use minus switch, minus E switch. Sometimes you may not require it. If echo understands backslash escape sequences naturally, we can find that out by putting a backslash N. Yeah, you can see this echo is adding a new line automatically. But if your echo command understands backslash escape sequences naturally, you can use echo slash 033. This is the octal representation of the escape character, right? So you just put a closing square bracket. Then you can add a 0 semicolon, followed by, you can specify any title of your choice. Maybe if you want to just say hello world, but make sure you end with a backslash 007. Make a note of it. You don't do that, I see certain terminals literally hangs. Okay, so just use this, and then when you run this command, you can see that it's set title is set to hello world. You can actually make this into a shell macro if you really want to create a shell macro of it, because you find this very cumbersome. You can actually create a shell macro called maybe I can just say title, open close parenthesis, and I can use this function. Within this function, I could actually use echo backslash 033 followed by a 0 semicolon, and then I can substitute with whatever I get as command line arguments. I can just put $@ in here. Let's say backslash 007. So when I actually specify this way, I can close this. I create my own macro now. I can actually now say title test message, or title. I can just give any string I want, and that's going to be substituted in place. So this is one of the ways you can change the title of your active terminal manually. And you can use this in your shell profile as usual. You can actually create your own macro where you could use echo or printf, any command which can understand backslash escape sequences and so on. And by the way, this feature I told you will also work in any programming language of your choice. All you need to do is put a backslash 033 followed by closing square bracket followed by 0 semicolon, then whatever string you want, and make sure you end with backslash 007. And that's about it. So this will let you change the title of any terminal of your choice, which is based on xterm. Hope you found this short video useful. So if you do really like this video, do comment on it. So I hope to make more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much.